here to say congratulations to Christina. We've known her for decades and decades and decades of hours for her 50 years of dancing, which is a wonderful achievement.
Well, I can remember when Christina Patalitas, at the age of 3, started dancing at my studio. She wasn't any bigger than a minute. I mean, she was so tiny. But dance teachers know the children that have that ability. Christina had it. She had it from the time she walked into that studio until the day she traveled on the cruise ships all over the world to dancing with Siegfried and Roy. She just has been, my little bombshell since she was 3, and I love her, and congratulations.
She's gonna cry.
On 50 years of dance.
Yeah. I can remember your first recital even, goodness.
She went everywhere with me. We've gone to Texas. She rode the bull, not the real bull, the electric bull. And none of the other girls would, but little Christina, she got out there and did it, and it was wonderful. We had a wonderful time.
Yeah, we love you, Christina.
Yeah, we do.
We really do.
Congratulations on 50 wonderful years.
I'd like to give a giant shout out to Christina Godwin for her 50 years of dance. I've known Christina since she was a tiny little girl in the recitals when she took with the Eleanor Brooks School, and just was a little doll and just was immediately promising from the get-go as far as dancing. And it's just been a pleasure to watch Christina grow, and not only in the dance world, but in her love and faith for the Lord. And so I just want to say thank you, Christina, for all that you do for all of us here at the dancing school, and for everything you do in the community as well. I love you.
50 years ago, a very petite, blonde 3-year-old walked into the studio, and she was cute and excited and ready to begin her career as a dancer. Well, I had the privilege of teaching Christina ballet for 15 years until she graduated from high school, and she went on to have an illustrious career as a dancer and as a teacher. The past 20 years she's been on St. Simon's. She teaches the love of dance, the joy it makes you feel, and also a love of Jesus Christ. I'm so proud to say she's my friend, and I've loved her for these 50 years. Congratulations, Christina. I hope you continue to do what you do for many years in the future. I love you.
Congratulations, Christina. Wow, as my mother would say, 50 nifty years. I'm so honored to have known you from the start, and I'm thrilled to be part of the Fitness Ladies Boutique. Keep on faithfully moving for many years to come. God bless.
Happy 50th anniversary, Christina. I admire you so much. You dance all your life. You never stop dancing. That's a true dancer with a great heart. And more important is your heart for the Lord. I love how you worship God through your dance, and that inspires me and made me want to dance with you. So I'm glad God brought you into my life so I could dance with you and worship God at the same time. You're a perfect dance teacher, but more than that, a great friend with me. I had a great time dancing in your dance studio.
Miss Christina Patalitas Godwin, how excited are we? 50 years in dance. I'm so proud of you. So we danced together for about 15 years. We had so much fun every year going to competition. But my favorite moment with you was when we went, it was my senior year, your junior year, we went to try out for Star Search. And then after that, there was just 5 of us. It was me, you, Angie, Jay, and Ellen. And then, of course, Miss Eleanor and her mama went. Just the fun family that we've always had together. I just love it. And I'm excited for you. So congratulations on 50 years.
Gosh, Christina, 50 years. Congratulations. When you were born, I felt like I had a little butterfly. My little butterfly, I could not confine you. I didn't want to put the lid on you. I just took the lid off and said, "Fly, Christina, fly." You were 3 years old, and you were on the stage at Eleanor Brooks School of Dance. You saw a sequin on the floor, and you reached down with your finger and picked it up and put it on your nose and sat there the rest of the time with that sequin on your nose on stage. And I thought, oh gosh, she's so at ease on stage. Her dancing has taken her traveling the world on the cruise ships and then in Las Vegas in the Zephyr Moore show. We were very happy to be able to go see you on the big stage in Las Vegas in the #1 family show out there. Before that, you had scholarships in Hollywood and in New York, and guess who went with you because you were still young. You were like 18, I think. I can't believe that it's been 50 years. You've been dancing for 50 years. It's just amazing. But you're still our little girl. I love you, my little dancing butterfly.
Congratulations on 50 years of dancing, Miss Christina. We love you. Congratulations.
50 years of dancing to the beat. Way to go, Christina.
I think that, you're very special because you've been teaching for 50 years, and that's just really impressive because some people actually can't make that goal.
Happy 50th dance anniversary, Miss Christina.
I've been dancing 50 years, and I can kick, and I can stretch. Oh yeah.